Welcome to the incredible world of potatoes. These humble tubers may seem ordinary, but they are actually one of the most versatile and fascinating crops in the world. Potatoes are grown all over the world, from the mountains of South America to the plains of Europe and the fields of North America. They are a staple food for billions of people and a key ingredient in many dishes. French fries, mashed potatoes, potato chips, potato salad, and baked potatoes are just a few of the delicious dishes that can be made with potatoes. But did you know that potatoes also have some surprising health benefits? They are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Potatoes are also an important crop for farmers. They are relatively easy to grow and can be stored for a long time, making them an ideal food for communities that are vulnerable to food shortages. In recent years, scientists have been studying potatoes to find new ways to improve their taste, texture, and nutritional value. They are also exploring new uses for potatoes, such as using them to make biodegradable plastic. Whether you're a chef, a farmer, or just someone who loves to eat, there's no denying that potatoes are an amazing food. So next time you enjoy a plate of fries or a bowl of mashed potatoes, take a moment to appreciate the incredible world of potatoes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.